Hey, hey now, cousins. Is it time for another room tour? It's been a minute.
It's been a minute, Mrs.
It's
G.
been a minute, and we're back.
Oh, we're back.
Come on in.
All right.
Be careful, because that door gonna get you. Bam! That was loud. Come on in. We're on Princess Cruise Lines today. We are on the Regal Princess, and we're in a balcony stateroom. Just going to give you a quick little tour. As you see, if you're a seasoned cruiser, you'll notice that the cabin is a little dated, and that's okay. This is the size of this tiny bathroom is common for a dated ship. They also have a shower curtain instead of the like glass or plastic encasing, whatever you want to call it. The sliding door. That's what it is, a sliding door.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have that. And let's see, both of us can't be in here together. So Mr. Chief is going to show you around. You got your hand wash, your body lotion, some shelving. Let's see, is there a storage, like a cabinet in there? No?
No.
Okay, all right, okay.
No.
It's basic and it's going to meet our needs.
Yep. It's going to meet our
stay.
needs.
Yep. And then behind you, be careful. Behind you is some storage here, which is nice. A closet, your safe, which you definitely want to use. And remember, guys, you always want to look up under the felt before you leave your cabin, just to make sure that you didn't accidentally put something under there. But that's a nice amount of shelves. I like that.
And this closet
space
is large.
Yeah, this is huge.
Wow.
This is nice. This is big.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
That's pretty big.
Well, that's a pro.
Not too bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
A definite pro.
Yeah.
We can definitely fit
all our stuff
all
in
of
there.
our stuff together
Yeah.
in one closet, which
Right.
for us is a miracle, because I overpack on purpose.
I overpacked this time myself.
Right. So beside, each side of the bed, the bedside tables, of course, with drawers, gives you a little bit more storage, which is nice. Now it's tight, y'all. You walk through here, you gotta watch yourself.
Well, do your wingspan.
Oh yeah, that would be here, my wingspan test. And look, I don't even have my arms all the way out. Like I can bend them and still.
Look at that.
It's a little tight.
Look at that, cousin. That's tight. Wow.
A little tight. Just a little bit. But then you do have this table that you can move around and put where you need it based on what your needs are. One thing we do not like off the rip about this room is there is no love seat, no little couch, nothing else to sit on really besides the bed and this one chair. That's weird for us, but it is what it is. I know some people say, well, you're not going to be in the room a lot. We will probably be in our room a lot for this cruise because we just need to relax. So
stress-free, really.
Yeah, stress-free, chilling. We're not going to be running around a whole lot. So
right.
It's a little disappointing that we do not have that love seat. We did try to get an upgrade, but we're on a full sailing. I'm going to check again just in case there's a no-show. Listen here, you never know what's going to happen. So
you're right about that.
We're going to check again once the ship sails out and see what we can do for an upgrade. So that'll be maybe another room tour. But anyway, the desk has even more storage, which is cool. The hair dryer is probably, right here. Well, honey, it's already plugged in. Look at that. Okay. So, all right. That works. So, basic, no worries. A couple of plug-ins. In your more updated cruise ships, there's a lot more outlets to work with, so we'll just make it do what it do. And then over here, we did get the water package like we always do. We're major water drinkers, so we just do that up front. They deliver it to your stateroom for you day one. More storage, and then you have your chiller here, which is the normal chiller for a cruise ship cabin. And then let's go ahead and explore this balcony. Okay, y'all, let's check it out. And if you're new to cruising, don't forget that if you leave your balcony open or unlocked, the air conditioning in the room will not operate.
He said they got
FYI.
sensors when you leave it open. They have sensors on here. They'll know.
Yeah. So as you can see,
This is tiny.
this is tight.
This is very tight. I can barely get out here with her.
Yeah, I'm trying to move this chair because this is in the way of the door. Actually, every time I open the door, I hit it. So this is a little disappointing, guys, for a cruise where you want to relax, because I would love to be able to come out here and let these chairs all the way back and kind of lay back, but unless you turn it sideways, and it looks like maybe only one of us at a time can do that.
And it's a Disney ship over there. What is that? You know what ship it is?
Destiny, I think it says. I can barely see it on the front. I think it says Destiny. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, Destiny. Yeah. Sorry about my fingers, guys.
Get your finger out of there. So
frame.
Yeah. So here we are. That is our.
There it goes again. My finger again.
This is our cabin. This is our home for the next week. We have an itinerary of the private island of Princess Cays, I think, Puerto Rico, and St. Thomas, one of my favorite places on earth. And we're looking forward to it. We're going to have a great time. So let us know, would you, after seeing this room, would you like this balcony? Would you book it? And we did get a really good deal. We did.
So, that's why we got it.
Yeah, that's why we got it. Yeah.
Okay, Mrs. Chief, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah,
okay, I'm going to pan around here once again. Let you guys see. All right, later.
All right, later.